So I wanted to hop on and introduce a new series that I just finished called the God Designed series. And I wrote this series because I wanted resources I could use with my son that would help me talk with him about some important topics in a gospel-centered way. And I couldn't find anything that covered everything I wanted to cover that was at his level. So I wrote these. And I designed the pages so that they would be very engaging for students, that children would want to look at the pictures and ask questions and then could have a dialogue with their parent about what those pictures were representing. So this first one here is God Designed My Body, and it looks at what God designed parts of our body for and not for. So it addresses things like lying and why we wear clothes. And then the God Designed Stewardship book, I don't have a copy of that one in my hand because I just finished it this weekend, but it is designed to help children begin to think of all they have as something that's been entrusted to them from God. And it brings up money topics as well as basic time management and thoughts about stewarding the talents that God gives us. And God Designed Community is to help children see that they are God's unique creation and have a role to play in their family and in their church. So I talk about like the fruits of the Spirit, relationships with others, occupations, covers a lot of ground. And the God Designed Government book can be thought of as like a simple civics course for little ones, helping them understand what a government is, that we have authorities that God's put in charge, looking at different governments through history, and exploring the foundations of America's government so that they appreciate where we live here in America, and overall seeing that God is really the one who's in charge of all government and all things. And so I really hope that this series will bless you. Please let anyone you know with little children know about this. They're ideal for about ages 5 and up, although younger children can still enjoy the pictures and get some of the concepts, and older children will be able to discuss those ideas in more depth. So it works great if you have multiple ages as well, because you can tailor it to those different ages. Thanks so much.